Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Stream the World. So today we will learn about or discuss about malicious software, which is malware. Let's start from the very first line. Malware is a malicious software that gets installed in your device and performs unwanted tasks, mainly designed to transmit information about your web browsing habits to the third party. Provide remote control for an attacker to use an infected machine, steal sensitive data, specifically designed to disrupt or damage a computer system. So here are the types of malware. Following are the types of malicious software: viruses, spyware, Trojan horse, adware, worms, ransomware, and so more. Virus. A virus is a piece of software designed to infect a computer system. A computer virus attaches itself to another program. It can quickly use up all the available memory on your computer and seriously how down the system and even stop it completely. Viruses can damage data files, destroy files, make disks unreadable. Examples are macrovirus, boot virus, logic bomb virus, directory virus, resident virus, spyware, software that hides on your computer in order to spy on you. This program records the websites you visit and sends them to a database. It monitors the user's activity without informing the user that it is doing so. Spyware is a computer software that is installed secretly on personal computer to intercept or take partial control over the user's interaction with the computer without the user's informed consent. How spyware comes to your computer? Downloading free games, utility media player, opening spam email, visiting corrupted websites, mainstream software applications, and at the last, file sharing programs. How to prevent spyware? The first line defense is Windows Defender Windows 8. Set your internet security high. Don't visit untrusted websites. Read before you click. Uncheck the small boxes and no, I do not accept. So that's it. We will continue in other tutorial and other types of viruses. So stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.